Is code troubleshooting different for web and mobile apps? Have you ever wondered if troubleshooting code is the same for web applications and mobile applications? The answer is no, and understanding why can help you become a better programmer. Let's break down the differences in detail. Web applications are usually built using languages like JavaScript, hypertext markup language, and cascading style sheets. They run inside web browsers and depend on internet connectivity. When troubleshooting web apps, you often face issues like browser rendering problems, inconsistencies across different browsers, and network delays. Tools such as browser developer consoles and network analyzers are essential for this process. Automated testing frameworks like Selenium can also be very helpful. Since web apps share a common code base, debugging can be more centralized. However, developers must still account for variations in how different browsers behave. This can make troubleshooting a bit tricky, especially when it comes to responsiveness and user experience. On the other hand, mobile applications are typically developed as native applications using platform-specific languages. For example, Swift or Objective-C is used for iOS, while Java or Kotlin is used for Android. Mobile apps have direct access to device hardware, which adds another layer of complexity. When debugging mobile apps, you often need platform-specific tools like Xcode for iOS or Android Studio for Android. Mobile troubleshooting also involves addressing issues related to device fragmentation and different operating system versions. You may need to consider how your app functions offline and how it interacts with hardware components like GPS or cameras. Performance is another area where web and mobile apps differ. Native mobile applications usually demand higher performance and can struggle under heavy loads or complex animations. This requires the use of profiling and optimization tools that are specific to each platform. Web applications may face performance issues due to limitations in browsers or network dependencies, making network simulation and browser profiling important. Maintenance and updates also vary significantly. Web applications can be updated instantly on the server side, allowing for immediate patches without user intervention. In contrast, mobile applications requiring users to download updates through app stores. This means troubleshooting must take into account version compatibility and how updates are rolled out. In summary, troubleshooting for web applications focuses on browser compatibility, network issues, and server-client interactions. It often uses cross-platform debugging tools. Mobile application troubleshooting, however, involves platform-specific debugging, hardware integration, offline capabilities, and performance profiling with dedicated integrated development environments and software development kits. Mastering debugging in both areas requires familiarity with their unique tools and common failure points to effectively identify and fix bugs.